Welcome viewers. Our today's topic is Introduction to Business. Question number 1. What components or division or scope or branches of business? Answer. Business. Literally the word business means business by business. But in economic sense, the word business means work, effort and act of people connected with production of wealth. In simple words, we can define business as any legal activity which is done for the purpose of earning profit is called business. Main points: legal, number 1 legal, number 2 profit motive, risk. Branches or scope or division components of business. Business, industry, commerce. Industry. Industry means those activities which are related with the production of goods or services. It is a place where raw materials is converted into finished or semi-finished goods. Finished goods are used by final customer and semi-finished goods are used of further production. Industry can be divided into following. Industry: primary industry, secondary industry. Primary industry, extractive or genetic. Secondary industry, construction, manufacturing or services. Primary industry is engaged in the production or extraction of raw materials which are used in the secondary industry. Primary industry can be divided into two parts. Extractive industry. Extractive industry are those industries which extract or produce raw material from the earth, mining and agriculture. Genetic industry. The genetic industries are those which are connected with the breeding of animals and plants. These industries also provide eggs, chicken and fish in the market. Secondary industry. Secondary industry are receive raw material from primary industry and convert them into useful goods. Secondary industry can be divided into three parts. Constructive industry. All kinds of industry are included in this industry. For example, buildings, roads, bridges. Manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry are those which converted raw material into finished goods. For example, textiles, mills, sugar mills, etc. Services industries. These industries provide the services to the public and do not produce the tangible goods. The example of services industry are doctors, lawyers, teachers, etc. Commerce. Commerce includes those activities which are carried on the transfer the goods from place of production to final customer. It can be divided into two parts. Commerce. Trade adds to trade. Trade. Home trade, wholesale trade, retail trade, foreign trade, import trade or export trade. Trade. Trade means buying and selling of goods. These trade help in transfer of goods from seller to buyer. A trader purchases goods from producer and seller and sells them to customer. Trade can be divided into following. Home trade. Buying and selling of goods inside the country is called home trade. It can be divided into following two parts. Wholesale trade or retail trade. Wholesale trade. It means the purchase the good in large quantities from producer and sell them to retailer. A wholesaler is like a bridge between the producer and retailer. Retail trade. It means to purchase the goods from wholesaler and sell them to customer in small quantity. Foreign trade. Buying and selling of goods outside the country is called foreign trade. It is also called international trade. Foreign trade has following two types. Import trade. It means the purchase of goods from foreign country. Export trade. It means the sale of goods to foreign country. Aids to trade. All those activities which provide help in transferring the good from seller to buyer are called aid to trade. It includes banking, transportation, insurance, agents, advertising, communication. First, banking. Banks assist the trade in receiving and making the payment at the national and international level. Bank also provide short, medium and long-term loan to businessmen. Transportation. The goods which are manufactured in mills and factories reach the commerce by different means of transport like air, road, rails, seas, etc. Insurance. Insurance plays very important role in the expansion of business. Insurance companies compensate the loss of goods due to accident, fire, theft, etc.